In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Charles Schwab account number. We'll walk through the two simplest ways to find it, explain what you'll see on each screen, and share a few quick tips so you get the exact number you need the first time. First, the fastest and best method is to find it online from your account summary. Sign into your Charles Schwab account on a web browser. Once you're in, go to the Accounts menu and choose Summary. You'll see a list of your accounts. Click the specific account you want, whether that's a brokerage, IRA, or checking account. On the page that opens, look toward the top left area of the screen. Your account number will appear there, often displayed in a format like XXXXXXX. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you've selected the right one because each account has its own unique number. If you only see a shortened or masked number, you might be viewing from the mobile app or a condensed layout. Switch to the full website view on a desktop browser to see more detail. The second method is ideal when you also need information for direct deposit or transfers. After signing in, go to the Move Money section. From there, click Routing Numbers and Direct Deposit. Select the account you want from the list. This page will show your full account number along with the routing number for that specific account. This is especially helpful when you're setting up payroll, a bank transfer, or any automatic deposit because it puts the exact numbers you need in one place. Review the details carefully before you copy them and make sure the account name you've selected matches the one you intend to use. A few important notes to keep in mind. Brokerage account numbers are typically 8 digits, so if yours looks shorter in one view, you might be seeing a partially masked version. Each Schwab account has a different number, even if they share the same login, so double-check you're pulling the number for the exact account you plan to use. The mobile app may show only partial numbers for security, so if you need the full digits, use the desktop site or the routing numbers and direct deposit page. And always keep your account number private. Avoid sharing it in screenshots or messages. That's it. Use the Accounts summary path for a quick view, or the Move Money, routing numbers, and direct deposit page when you need the full account and routing numbers together. Follow these steps, and you'll have your Charles Schwab account number in seconds.